My name is IKSHIT Gupta. My roll number is 20AG10012. Today, I will be disassembling and assembling this electric iron. As you can see that the light is blinking, so it's in a perfectly working condition. This regulator here is used to set the temperature of the electric iron according to the cloth. First of all, I will be opening this using the screwdriver. Now, I've opened this. Now in here you can see that we have these wires of three different colors. The green one is of the earthing, while the red and black are of plus and minus. Now it is covered in this plastic so that it does not touch this, otherwise it can cause short circuiting. Now I will remove this regulator from above. Now here we have two more screws, as you can see, which we need to remove. Now it still has two more screws over here, which also we have to remove this upper surface. And so you can see that I have removed these two screws, and now its upper part can be removed. Now I have removed these two screws. This blue part was just a plastic of high melting point, so that it doesn't melt when due to high heat. Now we can remove this upper part also. Now here we have an aluminium tube which contains an element which heats the bottom using the AC supply, which we get through these wires. Here you can also see a resistor right here which limits the power supply that goes into the neon bulb. Here in between this we have ceramic to separate the aluminium and the inner element from the outer aluminium. Now if we consider the mechanism of the electric heater, this here we have a thermal switch which we can control by rotating this, which we rotate using this regulator from outside the electric press. The more we rotate it to the warmer region, the more this strip presses downwards, causing more pressure on this region, causing more heat. And the more we set it to the cooler region, the strip comes upward, exerting less pressure on the strip, causing less heat. Now we can see this by rotating this. You can see that this comes up and down. More we rotate, causing the change of pressure on this region. So this was the simple mechanism of the electrical press. Now we will again assemble it and check if it is still working or not. Now you can see that I have again assembled the electric press, and let's see that if it's still working. I switched on, and you can see that the light is again started, indicating that the press is still in working condition. Thank you.